Good day, everyone. This is Ernie Kish with the Kish Cash Fund. And just to give you some updates on some trades that the Kish Cash Fund was involved with on July 25 and July 26, Monday and Tuesday of the week that we're talking about right now. Yeah, we've traded Aria on both those days, and this is our daily chart of Aria. And as we can see, and we've spoken about this, it had a nice climb up, and we were waiting for it to turn. And it might have turned over the last couple of days. Here's our Monday, and here's our Tuesday on the daily chart. So, in looking at that, it looks like we might have a turn that we've been waiting for. Um, we'll go over to the 5-minute charts in just a second and show you where we got in and got out and what our thinking was. But that's kind of interesting, so let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, now we're looking at the 5-minute charts on Aria, and here's the separation line here between Monday and Tuesday. I'll put that in right there. There you go. Okay. So on Monday, and we've been seeing this thing go up, and we've shorted it a couple of times and made a little bit of money, and got the heck out when we could in a hurry type of thing. But then we did short it when things were, we kind of like waited for things to get up at the high, because that's what the mindset. And we were just saying, hey, I think this thing's going to roll over. When is it going to roll over? This, that, and the other thing. Well, it did not roll over for a while, and we were getting kind of sick of it waiting for it. So we said, hey, yeah, let's just go ahead. And everybody's been buying it, so let's buy it. So on Monday, we bought at the open at 1305, right here at this low, thinking that, hey, it's going to go back up to 1350 like it did the day before. But it did not. So we got out with like a 9-cent profit somewhere right around, let's see, 1305, and then the 1309. So somewhere, I think we got out at the bottom of this candle here, this red one right there. We weren't in very long at all, maybe 10 minutes or so, something like that. But what we did see, because we were long on this, and then we said, hey, let's get out of this thing because it didn't go up to 1350, was we saw that it did come down. As you can see, it kind of like went sideways for the day. A little bit of dippage here, but this is where it really had its snag. It went down and closed at $11.60. Well, we were out and whatnot for the day already, and we said, well, let's see what's going on the next day with this thing. So on the very next day, being today, our Tuesday trade, we gave it some time. It opened up at 1260 or so, and then it did come down. As you can see, it came down this way, went up a little bit, and then started coming back down. So we said, well, we had a confirmation right here with that first 5-minute bar. It came down, and then the second and third 5-minute bars came back up, since we're looking at a 5-minute chart. And then it hit its high of that point in the day right here, and decided to collapse in price again. This was a fib line here that we were looking at the 1241. We had noticed this one down here. We didn't think it was ever going to get that low. But anyway, we shorted it at 1235. We kind of wished we had caught it up here, but we wanted some sort of confirmation because this thing's been. And so at 1235 we shorted it, and right at the bottom here is when we saw that it was about done on the short side, so we bought the cover and bought the cover at 1202 is when we got out. So that was a nice trade of 33 cents for us there. So yeah, we rode kind of like this one down from that point on up till about there. So that was a nice trade for us. So yeah, we did all right with that. So again, we're keeping our eye on these things. We are hoping that you are all having a green day out there. And again, we're pushing our book, Scalping the Cabal, that we're writing right now. So part of the reason that we want to let you know what we're doing is that if we're doing something successful, then those ideas will go in the book, and then you can, say, hey, maybe we'll get that book and get some of those ideas from Ernie, which are really nothing new. Been reading Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen. Um, been reading a book about the life and times of Jesse Livermore, entitled Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. That's a great book. Um, that was published in 1923, and some of the rules and some of the stocks have changed, but the game hasn't changed at all from what I see in 1923 to the current. In fact, some of the pages in the book that reminisces of a stock operator, I said, man, that's like current stuff. It's going on like 2011, like right now. So not much that I've noticed has changed, and we're gonna still probably see us making the same mistakes over and over and over again. So it's capitalizing on those mistakes that we as human beings make. Gives us the edge in playing the markets. So again, well, we had a couple nice days. This is going to be on YouTube and God knows where else. Again, we had a couple of good days trading, and we're studying along nicely and having a good time. And again, we just hope that you're having a good time and staying green. If you need to contact me about anything, just give me a holler, Ernie Kish, ERNIEKISH at yahoo.com. Love to hear from you. Might get an idea from you. You might be getting an idea from me. So with that, hey, keep green on your screen. Keep trading out there, and have a great day.